Hi, welcome to my channel Diced and Spiced.
Today we are going to see how to make a variety rice called Kadhamba Sadham. This is a very famous prasadam at the Chidhambaram Natarajar temple. Kadambam literally means a mixture or a medley. This is a type of sambar rice with a pepper flavor and rich in native Indian vegetables.
Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.
Let's see how to make it. First, let's prepare the spice powder. In a dry pan, let's roast all the items individually. Add half a teaspoon of fenugreek. Saute them in a medium flame. Let's remove the fenugreek, it's ready. Add 1.5 teaspoons of pepper. The pepper is ready. 1.5 teaspoons of dhaniya or coriander seeds. The dhaniya is ready. Let's remove it. Add around half a teaspoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of Channa Dal. 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal. Roast until it is golden brown. Remove it. Add 10 numbers of dry red chilies. Roast and transfer it to the same bowl. Cool it and grind it into a fine powder. In a large cooker-like vessel, add 2 tablespoons of Gingelly Oil. Splutter some mustard. Add 2 dry red chilies. 2 green chilies. A few curry leaves. Saute them together. I have here with me a mixture of native Indian vegetables. Let's add all of them. Traditionally, in temples they use native Indian vegetables. I'm adding some yellow pumpkin, chow chow, white pumpkin, some broad beans, some lady's finger, and some brinjal. Saute them together. Add some turmeric powder, salt. Saute them again. Add a little hot water. Close the pan with a lid and allow the vegetables to cook till they are half done. It's been around 5 minutes. I have here with me some boiled white chana and some boiled white Karamani, that is black-eyed peas. I've taken 1/4 of a cup of each and boiled them. Let's add these to the pan. Saute them again. I have here half a cup of Toor Dal, cooked for 5 whistles in a cooker with turmeric powder. Let's add it. Saute again. I have here a lemon-sized piece of tamarind, which I've soaked in 1 cup of hot water. Let's extract the tamarind juice and add it to the pan. Salt to taste. Saute and cook till the raw smell of the tamarind goes away. It's been cooking for around 5 to 7 minutes. Here is our spice powder. I've taken 2 tablespoons of it. Let's mix it in a little water and add it to the pan. You can add the spice powder as it is, but it might form some lumps, and hence we are mixing it with a little water. Add this to the pan. Add a generous amount of Asafoetida. Saute it well. I have here 1 cup of raw rice cooked in a cooker for 3 whistles. Let's add it to the pan. Mix it well to avoid any lumps. In a medium flame, let this boil for around 5 minutes. The rice has absorbed all the excess water and it has become thick now. Let's add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Saute it. Our fragrant and yummy Kadamba Sadham is now ready. Do prepare this sumptuous rice variety for your family this weekend.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and for more such content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.